as your man, I will lead this relationship, our commitment to each other.
Love, I've called you my boyfriend, my partner, my significant other, my best friend, and my fiancé. Now, I vow to love you forever as I get to call you my husband.
Only fools rush in.
Kami, mabilis lang yung relationship namin, sabi nila. But for us, hindi naman. For us, tama lang. Parang, hindi naman kami nagmadali, but naramdaman namin na okay kami.
Nung natagpuan ko siya or na-meet ko siya, eto talaga sabi ko, perfect na to para sa akin. So, I can describe her as, yan, the perfect one for me.
Falling in love with you.
Doon na ako sa point na hindi ako naghahanap. Hindi talaga ako naghahanap that time. But when I came back, just to finish my contract, bigla siyang nakipag-usap, nag-chat kami, ganyan. And then, we just feel na, oh, parang iba to. Kesa sa iba to.
Naging deciding factor ko is na-feel ko na she's the right one. Gagamitin ko na yung term, the right one. Swak kami sa isa't isa eh.
Where I can't help.
I love you. This is my vow. Ano mang mangyari, is tayo pa rin hanggang sa huli.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant
Kung si Raylan Rosendo
ay kinukuha kita, sabihin mo ang pangalan niya,
ay kinukuha kita, Liza Verna Manalo,
na maging aking tunay na asawa
na maging aking tunay na asawa.
at ako ay nangangako
At ako ay nangangako
at nakikipagtipan sa iyo
at nakikipagtipan sa iyo
sa harapan ng Diyos
sa harapan ng Diyos
at ng ating mga saksi
at ng ating mga saksi
na sa iyo ako'y magiging mapagmahal
na sa iyo ako'y magiging mapagmahal
at matapat na asawa.
at matapat na asawa.
falling in love.
Thank you for believing in me always and giving the courage to finally be with me. You are the sunshine of my life, and you bring me so much happiness. I vow to love and honor and be there for you until my last breath.
Take my whole life too, for I can't
Love, first thank you sa lahat ng ito for making my dream come true. Before I thought there's no one like you. Someone who will understand me and love me for who I am. Parang lyrics lang to, no? I thank the Lord God for bringing you into my life to be my forever partner. You will always cheer me up. Salamat, love, sa pag-intindi mo palagi, at sa mahaba mong pasensya. Sa mga paminsan-minsan na toyo ko. Oh, hindi yan paminsan-minsan, lagi. Lagi yan.
May excite ko.
De, joke lang. Joke lang.
Naninilaw, may hair pa. Ganito.
She's sweet like candy in my veins. Baby, I'm dying for another taste. And every night my mind is running around her.
Sulitin niyo yung bayad ko, ano ba yan? Bayad ko sa inyo.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, your electric love. Electric love.
Sana maging happy tayo forever. Mabigyan kita ng happiness that you deserve kasi you're such a beautiful person inside out. Such a beautiful person deserves so much happiness in life. And thank you so much for entrusting your life, your forever to me. That is my vow. I will love you forever. Love you.